Total gain 557%. Welcome to the channel. Today we are introducing a brand new powerful trading robot called FTMO Robots. The EA was $490, but you can grab it today for only $20. This trading robot is specifically made for the 8 pairs. On the M15 time frame. Now it's time to see the EA's live performance. This EA achieved a total gain of 557%. While maintaining a low drawdown of just 12%. Now, let's open MetaTrader 4 to set up and start the EA. In Inputs, you can adjust these settings to match your trading style. The EA is set and ready to trade. Check out our website for full information. Forex EA Mart. We appreciate you watching our video.